Good evening everyone. I welcome you all to this next session of industrial engineering. Last time we have had a discussion about few tricky concepts of industrial engineering, and this topic is very important to you all. I welcome you all here with a big heart and a big smile in my face. And good evening Shruti. I hope you are really doing out there great. Okay, so today also we'll be talking about few concepts out there. Instead of solving problems, we'll be talking about the concepts. All right, so this is about me. My name is Rahul Kanyal. I've had experience of working in BHEL, a PSU company, for around 2 years. After that, I got to IISc Bangalore. I had my post-graduation from there. Then I was placed in Tata Motors R&D. Let's get started. Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all. Anshika, DPS, SPD. Okay, nice names out there. Okay. So number of days left for GATE 2020 and 21, and I hope that you are preparing it with full effort, with full heart, with full courage out there. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, and tomorrow actually we'll be doing a live analysis of ISRO, so do join us at 9 p.m. sharp for the analysis of it. Okay, hi Abhishek. Okay, fine. Yeah, so Shruti says that thank you DPS SPD. Good evening everyone. I welcome. So Shruti says that in the last 20 days, what should I do? PY, what is PYQ? Karamiya something else. So let me tell you, Shruti, please write in there whatever the level of preparation that you are having. Then I'll reply to you. Okay. Previous year. So how much course is covered, how much course is pending? So please give more information. Till then we get started. So what do you think about this question? Find the type of solution for the given feasible region. All right, so can you please tell me what do you think about this? Good evening Shashidhar. I welcome you here. I think that we are going to have a very good session out there. Okay. Okay, from which country you are from? I am from India there. Karandeep, I am from India. I am an Indian, a proud Indian. Okay, good evening Kalyan. Please tell me what type of solution is represented by the following feasible region, or the given feasible region. Sorry for that. Okay, fine. Sri Raj, hello. I welcome you here. So Amar says B. Amar again says B. C. Sorry. Yeah, he says C, unbound solution. Okay. Okay, Shruti. Yeah, I can understand that. Shruti, actually I'll come up with another video maybe next Tuesday. I cannot commit on it, but still. Okay, lots of, okay. Arnab says C, Kapil says C. I want you to think about it, okay? I want you to think about it, then answer. All right, okay, fine. Please come on and subscribe to our channel and share this so that maximum people can be benefited through it. Okay, so unbounded solutions are infeasible. No, unbounded solutions are not infeasible. Mudhavat Baburam, I think I replied to you. Yes, so D. Dheeraj says A. Vinay says A. Okay, okay. Amit Mishra says D. It's a tricky question, okay? It's not that easy. Let me tell you. If you're thinking it's going to be easy, it's not easy. It's a bit tricky, okay? So B, D, and okay, fine. So let me tell you now. This looks like an unbound solution. It will be an unbound solution for a maximum type objective function. What if the objective function is a minimization type, right? So this, if it would be maximum, then it would be unbound. For minimum, it would be unique, because this is one of the corner points that we are getting. Just one corner point, that is the origin, right? Yes, so all of you, those who said A, are correct. Can't say. All right, you cannot tell because it depends upon the objective function. And if you did not understand this, I have made a video for 2021 students. Please go there. What is unbound solution? Okay, and I'm not going to explain it here. Okay, so all of those who said A, I congratulate you, because this was not that easy. Okay, so you cannot say about it. Is that good? As I've told you, for maximization type objective function, it would be unbound, because the objective function would reach infinite. Okay, for a minimization type, obviously the value of objective function would be 0, because this is just one corner point that we are getting. So I repeated it, Tarun Kumar, for you only. All right, so you cannot say. So let me tell you, the questions here are not that straightforward. We are going to develop some concepts and basics out here. Okay, and if you're not getting, don't lose your heart and stay with me till the end. You will have had more concepts in your mind. All right, so let's see. Next question. Okay, please read this. Yeah, it's my pleasure there. Babu Ram, I'm going to call you Babu Ram, okay? It's my pleasure out there, okay? So can you please tell me which one of these is correct? So we are just trying to make concepts clear, all right? We are not going to go into examination without clearing the concepts, okay? Firstly, you should know or understand what concepts are there, all right? So please tell me which one of these is correct. Okay, Shruti says C, Naveen says C, Suleiman says B. Okay, out of these, okay, you have to select the options. Satyakant Mishra says D. Okay, A, B and C are correct. Okay, okay, fine. Prikshit Sharma says B only. I want you to, okay, firstly read this, then you can comment. Okay, Dheeraj says C, Kapil says C, Amar Bare says C, Abhishek Singh, can we have polls about what? Okay, Satyakant says C. Okay, okay, so is this correct? Number one, northwest corner method is used to find initial basic feasible solution for transportation. It is correct, northwest is used. Yes, UV method, yes, Modi method is also called UV method. All right, is this used? Yes, it is used, initial basic feasible solution. Is Modi method used for initial basic feasible solution? No, it's not used for initial basic feasible solution. It's used for optimal solution. Yes, Vogel's approximation method is used to find optimal solution. No, it's used to find initial basic feasible solution. So C, A and B are correct. All right, so most of you, I think you got it correctly, and really I like that. Okay, so keep on watching this and keep on sharing this. Okay, fine. So Vogel's approximation method is also the third method to find initial basic feasible solution. Modi method or UV method is used for finding the optimal solution. All right, come on then. Next. Okay, fine. Please tell me, find the type of solution for the following feasible region. This is the region. Okay, I've shaded it. This is the region. Now, can you please tell me? Now, think about it and then respond. All right, think about it, then respond. Okay, Shruti says A, cannot say. Shubham says C, unbound. Okay, Anup says D, infinitely many solutions. All right, so more options. Come on. Come on. Deepak Shukla says unbound solution. Okay, Dheeraj Baba says A, cannot say. B, Kalyan says B, infeasible. Okay. Abhishek Singh says B. Okay. Hassan Sarkar says C. D. Shruti says A, Amar, you have to obviously, that is always true, right? Non-negativity if we talk about. So you need to assume those. You know what are non-negativity, right? Jagdish Kumar says A, Kapil Negi says D, and Chikku Bhardwaj says A. So which one of these is correct? C, B. See, we have had a discussion about a similar question in the last session. All right, and then because I told you that because non-negativity constraints are obviously added to this, these are obvious, right? These are obvious. So a feasible region, we are getting a feasible region here, but these constraints are saying that no, it cannot be here because x1, x2 need to be positive or non-negative. All right. So, is there a common region between this and this? No, because this says that feasible region should be in the first quadrant, while we are not getting it in first quadrant, right? So, it should have an infeasible solution. Alright, so those who got it correctly, B, I really congratulate you. You got it very correctly, alright? I really congratulate you, and okay, fine. Then you should think about these things, okay? You should think, because these questions are a bit tricky. Last time also we were having a talk about tricky questions. This time also I suggest that, you know, think about these, then answer. You need not just see it and rush in a hurry and take it wrongly. You don't want to lose 2 marks in industrial engineering, all right? And all right, okay, so I hope this is correct. All right, Abhishek, I hope you're really doing great out there. Okay, now this is a classical EOQ model. I have taken this from inventory. The total number of orders placed are, if you see this diagram, if you see this schematic, what do you think? Feasible region to be drawn considering all the constant, or else is it a feasible solution? What exactly do you want to say, Amar? I'm not getting. Is to be drawn considering all the constant, or else? Feasible, infeasible means that, see, feasible means that it should satisfy all the constraints, including non-negativity constraints. So Naman Jain, okay, came up with an answer. Good. Naman, at least you came up with an answer. So number of orders you have to tell in this. All right, this is a very tricky question again. Okay, Dheeraj also came up with non-negativity constraint. Amar, yes, you have to consider them always, because number of units, let's say x1, x2 cannot be negative, right? They always have to be 0 or positive. Okay, Satyakant says, okay, no, I didn't draw them without considering. I just showed you, Amar, I'm talking to you. I didn't draw them without considering. I just showed the common region. That's all. Feasibly, that's a possibility if you go inside that. Azad says 2. Okay, keep answering, guys. Keep answering. Okay, Shantanu says 3. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to tell this now. All right, here, this is the reorder level. So what it says is, when the inventory reaches this level, an order is placed, right? So you are going to have it here. Have it here. You're going to have it here. Okay. And are you going to have it here also? Are you going to have it here also is the question. So is it 2 or is it 3? I think this is just 2. All right, 2 is the correct answer for this. Okay, because here there's no point in placing an order because there's no demand for it. All right, so 2 should be the answer for it. So many of those who wrote 2, I think you are correct. All right, yes. Okay, because there's no need of putting an order here. Had it been like this, If it would be like this, then 3 would be the answer. Yes? I hope I'm making it very correct to you, or I think I'm making sense to you. If it would be like this, then 3 would be the answer, because you would place an order here so that the inventory is replenished, right? So only 2. So Abhishek, don't worry about this. These are few tricky questions. Don't worry about it. These are just tricky questions. 2 should be the answer for it. Okay? 2. Right? Yes. So be motivated. Keep on moving. Don't give up. Just be with me till the end. Okay. What is the order quantity in inventory control? Please tell me. What is the meaning of order quantity? Economic order quantity. So let's talk about EOQ. Firstly, let's talk about OQ, order quantity. What do you understand by this? Let's talk about this. Okay, so which one of these is correct? Which one of these is correct? Come on. Shantanu, yes, okay. Vipin says C, okay. Naman says C, Kapil says D. Okay, believe in your answer, guys. Okay, it's fine even if you're not getting it correctly, just believe in your answer. Okay, Hassan says C, Shruti says C, Shantanu says D. Okay, and Abhishek Singh says C, Shashi Shekhar Azad says C. Okay, C. Okay, okay. Arnav Mukherjee says C. Ayush says A. Come on, guys, keep on responding here. Kiran says C. Okay. Okay. Satyakant Anand says B. D, C, B. Okay, fine. So it's nothing but total number. That is the order quantity that minimizes the total cost or the inventory cost. All right. Yes. So most of you got it correctly. I congratulate you. Now let me get back to this. What is this Q? Can you please tell me? Can you please type in there? Can you please type in there? What is this Q? Yeah. So most of you got it correctly. It was very straightforward, and I congratulate you all. Okay. So before even trying to attempt a question, let's try to understand what is what. All right. Then only you'll have. Okay, Neeraj says order quantities, Kapil says inventory level, maximum inventory, quantity, what quantity? Shruti, what quantity? Unit quantity. So what is this Q? You should know these things. Then you can clear something. Okay. Okay. Mohan Kumar also says order. Okay, fine. Quantity left. Amar says number of quantity. What is number of quantity? EOQ. This is not EOQ. Yogita says EOQ, maximum inventory. Maximum inventory is this, from here to here. This is Q max. What is Q as a variable here? In y-axis, Abhishek. Okay, so Q here is nothing but order quantity. Okay, very few of you got it. This is nothing but order quantity. All right. Time is on x-axis, Shruti Pandey. All right, so those who said order quantity, Anup said it correctly, Mohan Kumar said it correctly, and Abhishek also got it correctly. Okay, yes, so this is nothing but order quantity. Remember it. Okay, we are going into basics here, and I see that you have to work on basics first. You must question what is what. Then only we can expect a good rank. Okay. All right. So, but don't lose your heart if you're not getting it. Don't lose your heart, because still you have time. Believe me, 21 days, there's a lot of time out there for you guys. If you don't give up, if you just keep on working for your goal, maybe you get it, maybe you don't. Okay. I cannot say that you are going to get it, but maybe you get it. We always live in a hope, and let's hope that you are going to get it. Okay, guys. Okay, VED analysis is based on, now please come up with these. Okay. Now please come up. VED analysis is based on value of item, importance of items, cost of items, none of the above. So what do you think it is? Satyakant says A. Cool dude John says A, value of items. And B, Yogita says B, A, Neeraj says B, Satyakant says B, Dheeraj, Baba says B, A, lots of A and B's, right? Anup also says none of the above. Okay, fine. Satyakant says B. Yeah, so V stands for vital, E stands for essential, D stands for desirable, right? Vital, essential and desirable. Yes, vital means that what? Vital means those items that if they are not present, let's say in a production shop, you cannot go ahead to produce. They are really significant for production, let's say. Okay, let's say a shaft of a lathe. If you don't have it, you cannot produce, right? So that's a vital item. So is it based on value or is it based on something else? Most of you are saying value. Value is nothing but cost per unit. Value is in rupees, okay? Let me tell you, value, when I say value, that is nothing but function per unit cost. And value is generally given in terms of rupees. So what do you think about it? Again, I am asking you, it's not value, okay? Because value, let's say value of a building, let's say, obviously, right? It's in rupees. Yes. So are we talking about rupees over here? Are we talking about something else? Vital means that, for example, for a heart patient, heart pills are vital, because without heart pills or BP pills, let's say BP pills, he is going to die. So it's very important. So these are vital, right? So we are talking about importance of items. All right, yes, so most of you got it correctly the second time. So it's B, it's based on importance of items, as I have told you. All right, yes. Relationship with ABC analysis, Rajneesh, ABC analysis talks about, then it talks about value. Okay, the items, few items have more values, few items have lesser values. A is the number of items that have the maximum value. For example, 1 gram of gold will have more value than 100 grams of nut and bolts. Yes, so you can say that ABC analysis based on value, but a better option would be total inventory cost. If it's there, then you can take on total inventory cost for ABC analysis. Okay, but yes, if it's not present out there, then yes, if value is the most appropriate option, you can take on value. All right, I hope I answered your questions. All right, so it's based on importance of items. In single exponential smoothing to achieve maximum accuracy, which of the following is true? This is very straightforward. Please come up with answers right now. Come on. Yuvraj says alpha equals to 1. Vignesh says A. Neeraj says 0. So give me the option, guys. Don't give me okay, A, B, A, D, B, A. Okay, B. Hidden Talent says A. Amrut Reddy says B. So just write the formula of it. Ft plus 1 equals to Ft plus alpha dt minus Ft. Yes. Yes. So what do you think it is? What do you think it is? Come on, guys. Abhay says A. Okay. Okay. B. Sami says B. Let me tell you that this term, what is this term? dt minus Ft. What is this term? Can you type in there? Come on, guys. What is this term? dt minus ft. C, error. This is error, right? Yes, you're right. This is error. Okay, so when will you have maximum accuracy? When error is deviation or error, Neeraj? All right. Yeah, that is forecast error. When this will be most accurate? When error is what? 0, right? This should be 0. Then only it will give you most accurate results. So when will this be 0? When alpha is 0. That's all. Yes, I hope this is making sense to you. Okay. All right. Okay, fine. So this is what was the meaning of it. This is what was expected of you. All right. Sometimes you have to make it up. Sometimes you have to understand or go into the mind of the person who has made the paper. Okay. So most of you got it correctly, I guess. B, 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 B. So congratulations. All right. So B is the option for you. Alpha equals to 0. Okay. Okay. Hello Chandan, I welcome you here. Fine. Now, this looks a bit messy. Don't get confused from this. Don't get confusion from this. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 3 activity is called A. I have made these boxes deliberately. Okay. And this is B activity 1, 2. This is D. 2, 4 is D. All right. And these are the number of days that each activity is taking. It's fine, Abhishek. It's fine. Don't lose your heart. You'll do it. Aap karoge. I know you are going to do it. Okay. No, Chandan, I am not from Canada. No. I am from UK. Uttarakhand. You would have gone there. It's a beautiful place. Go there if you don't want. All right. Okay, fine. So I hope this question is very clear to you. Is that it? Okay. So I'm going to write 1, 3 takes 2 days. Okay. That is A activity. Okay. B activity is represented by 1, 2. That takes 3 days. All right. Similarly, C activity takes 1 day. All right. D activity takes 3 days. Okay. And E activity takes 2 days. So which one is correct? Okay, no, you just have to write the answer. We don't have you don't have options in there. Yeah, Kapil, fine. Yes, you are Negi ji, so it's fine. Okay. Okay, so Amar says total float is -3. Is that -3, Amar, or is it +3? It's fine, Chandan. I don't know if I look Canadian or what. Okay. Shamila says 8. Shubham says 4. Okay. And to avoid the confusion, I'm going to write the activity duration here. Okay. So A takes 2 days. B takes 3 days. All right. And this is a bit messy, so I'm going to make it here D takes 3 days, C takes 1 day, and here also is a bit of edit required. E takes 2 days. All right, so I'm going to do it for you. Let's start with 0 and 0 with this. So the convention that I'm following is this. Okay, this is earliest start time, this is earliest finish time, latest start, latest finish. Is that good? So earlier start time for A is going to be 0, for B is going to be 0. Alright, earlier finish for A is going to be 2, 0 plus 2 equals to 2, 0 plus 3 equals to 3. Then this 2 will be transported here, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Yes, so this is going to be 3, 3 will go here, 3 plus 3 is 6. Alright, now what will go here? 3 or 6? It will be 6, right? 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, fine. Now we are going to start with 8 here. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Is that good? Yes. So here 6 will come from here. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 3, 0. Alright. Now for the sake of simplicity I am going to erase these, because I have already mentioned that duration is done over there. Alright, I hope you are following me. Okay, now let's write 6 over here. 6 minus 1 equal to 5, 5, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to write total float over here in the top of the boxes. What is total float? Here the total float is 8 minus 8 or 6 minus 6, that is 0. Alright, yes. So here also it's 0, here also it's 0. So this is the critical path actually. So it's going to be, this is the critical path. 1, 2, 4, 5 is critical path. So total float is going to be 0, 0, 0 in the critical path. Yes. And here it will be 3. It will be 3. So maximum value of total float is 3 for A and for C. Is that correct? So those who wrote 3, okay, fine. I'm going to congratulate you all. You did a great job. All right. Rajanish also says 3. Fine. Yes, 3 is the option here. Amar already said 3 minutes before. Good. Well done, Aran. Amar, sorry. Is that good? Okay, fine. So you might not make these boxes, but this is the way I do it. All right. And you might do it according to the way that you do it. Okay, fine. I hope this was actually very straightforward, but the way in which it was framed was a bit tricky. That's all. Is that good? So 3 is the answer, and that's coming for activity A and for C. All right. There's a clash, but maximum is 3. All right. So Shubham, you just need to find the total float of each and every activity. Minimum total float is 0. All right, and the maximum total float here we are getting 6 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3 minus 0. This is how we are going to do it. Shubham, I'm answering to you. Now let me ask you a question. Is the minimum total float 0 always in a project? Type in yes or no. Type in yes or no. Total float means that the amount of days that an activity can be delayed. Fidel Castro. All right, so what did I say? What did I say? I said that, is it that minimum float is 0 for any project? Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Yogita says yes. Critical path, yes, critical path always will have 0. So yes, I agree to you that yes, always in a project minimum total float is going to be 0, because there will be at least one critical path, right? So in that critical path, total float is going to be 0. Can be negative, it cannot be negative, Kuldeep Singh, because we don't want it to get delayed. We say that it cannot be negative because it cannot be delayed. If it can be delayed, it can be negative. This is what I can tell you. Okay, so most of you said it correctly. Yes, minimum total float always in a project is going to be 0. Okay, good. Now come with this. Now again guys, think about it. Okay, think about it, then answer it. Come on, guys. There's a discount model and inventory control. So which one of these is correct? All right, just write it down over there. If you don't understand anything, don't just think, okay? You had to write it in your paper, in any paper. Just don't tick it like that. Okay, this is quite a bit straightforward question, but still, let me tell you that you need to get it correctly. Yogita says B, Dharmik says B. Okay, good. Quick answers out there. D. Okay, Javed says B. Pawan says D. Pawan Jan says D. Okay. Now you must understand different components of the cost out there. Satyakant says B. Hari Bhaskar says B. EOQ with price break. Okay, B. Fidel Castro says B. Okay. So there's a discount model out there, right? Is it not always total cost? See, Amar, actually, you can think about it. You can think about it, but I just want you to realize what a total cost is and what inventory cost is, what is variable cost. That's what, just the naming of the cost or the division of total cost. That's all. All right. But yes, you can say that it's always total cost. So which one is it? Which one is it? D. More answers. Come on, guys. More answers. Okay. Muhammad says D, total cost. So I'm going to just write it over here. Total cost is nothing but Cp into D plus Q upon 2 into Ch plus D upon Q into CO, right? This is the total cost for it. And because Cp keeps on changing in this model, right? Unit cost per item. The cost required to purchase one unit keeps on changing with discount model. The more you buy, the lesser Cp you have, right? So this also becomes a variable over here. That's why you take care of total cost. Okay, so B is correct. All right, this Cp into D is nothing but purchase cost per annum. This Q upon 2 into Ch, this is called, what is this component? What is this component? Will you please write it over there? What is this Q upon 2 into Ch? What is this component called? Can you please type in there? Come on. Total variable and total inventory cost are same. Yes, Abhishek, you are right. Holding cost, yes. Is it just holding cost or carrying cost? Yeah, carrying cost, I will take that. This is nothing but total holding cost. Or you can also say annual holding cost. All right. Yes, total holding cost, I will take that. Shashi Shekhar, I'll take that. Total holding cost. Just don't say holding cost, okay? Because you will then, yes, total holding cost. Because you will then differentiate or get confused between this small ch or ch and this total holding cost. All right, fine. What about this? What about this? D upon Q into CO. What is that? Come on. Ordering cost. Total ordering cost. Yes. ठीक है. Fine. That is total ordering cost. That's all. Okay. No, I'm just talking about D upon Q into CO, the whole component. Okay. Total ordering cost. Yes, you got it correctly. All right. Is that good? Yes. Total ordering cost. So most of you are getting it correctly. Fine. But remember that Q here is order quantity. Number of units in one order. This is what we have talked. And you should not forget about it. Or forget it. All right. Now, yes, I think the session is almost over. I'm going to give you one question over here. we have had a discussion about this. Okay, let's say this is y equals to constant line. What is a correlation correlation coefficient of y and x? Can you please tell me? Yes, Fidel. Now this is the last question. All right, so please come up with answers. I have given you two variables and this is y equal to c line over there. I want you to find the correlation coefficient r. What should be the correlation coefficient for this? So please tell me. Come on. Kapil says, okay, good. Rohan says 1. Okay. More answers. Come on, come on. Dheeraj, we have had a discussion about this in the last session. All right. We talked about positive correlation. We talked about negative correlation. Vignesh says 0. Dheeraj also says 0. Satyakant, fine, good. Rohan says 1. Okay. Yogita says 0. Okay. Good, good, good. Come on, keep on responding, guys. 0. Don't know. Rajkumar 0. Okay. Okay. Rajkumar S 0. All right. Shruti also says 0. Yes, most of you are getting this. The answer is 0. Okay. Because this nothing is happening to y. Even if you keep on increasing the x, so that means 0. Alright, there's no formula for that. Obviously there's a formula for that, but we are not using the formula. We are just understanding the concept through a graph. That's all, Satyakant. Alright, in the last video, if you didn't watch my last video, you can go back, Industrial Part 1. Okay, you can watch it. I have described it, that what is positive correlation, what is negative correlation, and if you are confused with unbound solution, alright, unbound solution, this is enough to tell correlation coefficient. Okay, there's no correlation. You must understand this. You need not always have formulas. You must understand the concept. All right. On the contrary, this is a does it have a correlation? Y and X. We have already talked about it. It has a positive correlation. Alright, because when X is increased, then I think this is the formula for correlation coefficient. X is nothing but X minus X bar. Y is nothing but Y minus Y bar. Alright. Yes, it has positive slope. It has nothing to do with, okay, fine. If you want to talk about slope and all, fine, I'll take that. Okay, positive, Rohan. Okay, then hidden talents, still concept of crashing. Crashing just is a concept where I don't have example here, otherwise I would have told you hidden talents. All right. Okay, all concepts are mixed, so some solution. What concepts are mixed? Abhishek, what concepts are mixed? I am replying to Abhishek Singh. Okay, hidden talents, I can all tell you that Abhay Pandey, yes, thank you very much for this. If two straight lines, then we are talking about, we don't have two straight lines over here, we just have one straight line, y equal to c, that's all. Okay, yes, you can say that. Anish Kumar, if there are two regression lines, then r equals to root m1 m2, you can say that. Are you talking about other subject also? Okay. Okay, thank you Satyakant for that wonderful comment. I like that. Abhishek, yes. So you just need to get insight of you know, why things are happening the way they are happening. This is what I can tell you. Abhishek Singh, I am talking to you. All right, and most importantly, believe in yourself and be amazing out there. have courage, all right, and go inside the topic with an intention of understanding. All right, don't just do questions, recklessly questions. This is what my suggestion is. Understand them. Okay, so I have had a very good session with you guys. I hope you also had it, and I think that I gave you a brainstorming session, all right, and I stirred your thoughts. And I'll just come back again to talk about few more topics. Maybe mathematics will take, all right. And thank you very much, and I hope you are going to do great. And if you're giving ISRO tomorrow, you can follow up, all right, at 9 p.m. tomorrow. We'll be having live analysis. Thank you very much. Okay. Regression means, Fidel-Castro regression means we are just trying to find out a relationship between X and Y. Okay. And correlation is also important. Then we say that how much close they are, X and Y. That is correlation. That's all. Fidel-Castro, I'm replying to you. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you got it. I hope you are going to be amazing, and all the best if you're giving tomorrow ISRO. And I'll see you again in mathematics. All right, till then, be blessed by the divine, be happy, always keep on smiling. Thank you.